Hey everyone, it's Janvi and welcome to my channel. So I know you all would probably be thinking that I went MIA and I didn't post anything for so long. I'm really sorry for that. Actually, I got stuck with some things due to which I couldn't catch up with you all. So I had to take a hiatus break from YouTube. But now I'm back and I promise to be more regular with my videos. Now, today I'm going to talk about something really important. Something which is talked about very frequently during these difficult times. All the people, everyone is talking about it. Right? It has been talked about a zillion times by zillion people. So, what is it? It is mental health. Mental health is something which we need to talk about more and more and more frequently, not in just these difficult times but also normally, because the world in which we are living has a lot of stress. We all get stress some or the other times in our lives, so mental health is something really important, and it need mental health has to be intact to keep other things intact. Okay, if mental health is intact, your physical health is also intact. So I'm not gonna give you the typical mental health speech that what is mental health, how is it important, because you all know it by now, right? I'm gonna talk about how to keep your mental health intact. I have got a few ways which could really help you by to keep your mental health intact, because they have helped me. So, uh, the first point which I think can help you to keep your mental health intact is keep yourself away from negative news, negative thoughts. Because if you're just watching negative news, like if you're watching how many cases, how many people die, it's gonna affect you. It will affect you, and very adversely, trust me. Okay, so do not, and don't even keep those thoughts that what's happening in the world, why is it happening, do not think about it. Just be thankful where you are, that you are protected. God has protected you. By God's grace you are safe. Be thankful for that. Do not keep stupid thoughts in your mind, because it's not healthy. Number 2, be grateful for whatever you have. At night, whenever you sleep, okay, while before going to bed, just pray to God and thank God that you are safe. You are safe wherever you are. Okay, you are not affected. Be thankful for whatever you have. Literally, trust me, thanking is gonna help you, right? Next point, stay connected with your family members, right? Spend as much time as possible with your loved ones. Talk about their childhood. Talk about what they did when they were your age. Okay, so talk with these people. They will help you. Okay, crack some jokes, have fun, have funny conversations, sometimes even gossip, but not unhealthy gossip. Okay, because gossips are good but not unhealthy gossips. Your gossips shouldn't involve mocking someone or other things like that. Okay, next thing, work less. I know most of the people are working from home, and if you are not working, students are studying from home, right? So do not work for long hours at a stretch. Work with regular intervals. Like if you work for 2 or 2.5 hours, take a break. Do something good. Talk with your parents. See what are they doing, how they work. Okay, help them. Okay, during that time. Next, do things which you enjoy the most. Okay, I know we all have a very busy schedule. We all have to work a lot. We all have to study a lot. We all have so many assignments, projects, etc., etc. I know, but take out 1 or 2 hours from your busy schedule to do something which you love. Some people love watching Netflix series. Watch them. Some people love listening to music, so put your earplugs on and listen to music. Trust me, it's really healthy and helpful. it would keep your mind away from stupid thoughts. Okay, next, talk about something which makes you excited. Okay, like talk about something which when you start talking, you just keep on talking and talking and talking. And sometimes when that turn into something negative, change the topic, because the primary goal is to keep ourselves away from negative thoughts, because negative thoughts could really be unhealthy for us. So what our goal is to keep our mental health intact, to keep ourselves away from negative thoughts. So do whatever you like, do not think that it's I'm wasting my time, because you have ample of time to work. Try to get some time out of it to do something which you really love. Do not work for long hours, because already our environment is very monotonous, very boring, very, we are packed within these four walls of our houses. So we don't want to make it more monotonous by working for long hours. So take small breaks. That's all the points I had. If you think that you have some things which excite you, which has helped you, do drop those suggestions in the comment box, because so that we can also try it. And trust me, I'm not telling you all these points because just like that, I'm not being philosophical. I am telling these because I have tried these things and they will help you. So that's it for today. If you have some suggestions, if you know how to pass time beautifully, nicely within our homes without getting monotonous or boring, please drop those suggestions in the comment box, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please comment how did you like these suggestions, and please share it if someone needs it. So that's it for today. Stay safe, stay happy, stay indoors. That's it. Bye bye.